Hello amigos, today I am going to show you room 619 and I am in my favorite place in Rome with Janina. Hi Janina, let's come in. What room you have for me today?
I have the balcony room, one of our suites.
All right, let's get in. Let me show you. Look at this feeling, guys. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about in Rome. Why do I like this hotel always? Because each room is different. And I'm very, very happy. Hello. Look at this beauty. I always love. Oh, thank you. Look at this king size bed. Very comfortable. And we are at the Romanico Palace, showing you another of their beautiful rooms. This one has a corner view. Is this a corner view? Well, it's a balcony for sure. Let's go. Yeah, let me show you. Let me show everybody this beautiful room. All right, perfect. You can see Rome. Have a wonderful stay. We have two areas for daylight. I love when I have daylight. Natural light is the best. And here it is, an amazing tub. Wellness, my friends, wellness. That's what we need. Awesome. So all the amenities as usual. We do have the fridge, right? The mini bar, the fridge in case you want to keep your drinks, your closet safe. Hair dryer, everything you will need for your stay is all available. I invite you to check more videos of the Romanico Palace, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment so I can bring you more videos from around the world. Goodbye amigos.